I am going to show you how to set up speed dial buttons. First, press and hold the M1 button for 2 seconds. You will see a pop-up message and press OK. Select M1 number. Now you can select which contact you want to save as the speed dial target. For example, I choose Son for my speed dial target. Press Option and choose Select and Return. Now, Son become my speed dial target. You can now press and hold the M1 button again. The phone is now dialing Son without pressing any other buttons. You can also set up speed dial buttons for your number keys, from 2 to 0. To set up, hold any number buttons for 2 seconds. You will see a pop-up message again. Press OK. You can select any number keys for setting up the speed dial. I choose number 9 for the demonstration. Choose any contact from your contact list. For example, I choose voicemail for button 9. Then, press Option and choose Select and Return. So, if I press and hold the 9, the phone is dialing to the voicemail.